India has formally submitted the nomination dossier for, quote, Jingkieng Jri or Lyu Chrai cultural landscape Meghalaya, unquote, to the UNESCO for consideration for inclusion in the World Heritage List under the 2026-2027 evaluation cycle, the permanent delegation of India to UNESCO said. The dossier was submitted by Ambassador Vishal V. Sharma, India's ambassador and permanent representative to the UNESCO, to Lazare Asorno Ilando, Director of UNESCO's World Heritage Center. During the submission, Sharma acknowledged the support of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Culture Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the Principal Secretary of Meghalaya Frederick Kharkongor, along with officials from the Archaeological Survey of India, the Ministry of External Affairs, experts and local communities involved in protecting the site. Located across the Khasi and Jaintia hills, the nominated cultural landscape is described as a living heritage shaped over centuries by the indigenous Khasi and Jaintia communities, reflecting traditional systems of land use, governance, and ecological stewardship. It is rooted in an indigenous worldview centered on respect and responsibility towards Mei Ram O or Mother Earth. The delegation said the submission highlights India's focus on conserving cultural and natural heritage, particularly the living traditions and knowledge systems of indigenous communities, while strengthening global heritage protection efforts through the UNESCO.
Friends, it is my privilege and honor to share with you the wonderful news that the Jingkieng Jri, the living root bridges of Meghalaya, are being nominated by India for the 2026-27 cycle for possible inscription as a World Heritage Site in the 49th Committee meeting in 2027. As India's ambassador and permanent representative to UNESCO, I thank Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Culture Minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, officers of the Archaeological Survey of India, of the Ministry of External Affairs, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, Principal Secretary, Shri Frederick Kharkongor, officers of the Government of Meghalaya, experts, and the local communities guarding this incredible cultural heritage of humanity for this historic nomination. I extend my warm greetings to the people of Meghalaya, and I assure you that we will leave no stone unturned in all our efforts to obtain this well-deserved recognition to the Jingkieng Jri of Meghalaya. I'll speak a line in the Khasi language. Naka liang jong ga kum u ambassador na India Shakha UNESCO, ga e kublai kripang eki nongshong shong ka jala Meghalaya bad naka liang jong gi. Gim priang baro ki lat ki linti ban piono ka katay ka jingi tu ba kripang naka binta ki Jingkieng Jri, living root bridges, kiba donha ka jala Meghalaya. Kublai Mithila. Thank you and Bharat Mata ki jai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.